Hey, I'm Pusher, and this is another Music Minute where we talk about how music works. And today's a big day because we're finally talking about the major scale. A major scale is a series of 7 different notes. We measure the distances between the notes in the scale with a series of intervals. Starting on any note, the pattern is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Starting on E and using this interval pattern, you would get these notes to make the E major scale. Scales and keys might as well be synonymous. If you're using the notes of the C major scale, you're probably in the key of C major. Every letter can only appear in the scale one time though, so you can't have E and E sharp. It would have to be E and F. Remember, there are 12 different notes in Western music, and each one has a major scale, so there's 12 different scales and 12 different keys. This means that 2 different songs could basically be the same, but if they're in different keys, then all the notes and chords will be different, so it won't be easy to see. This means you have to learn the same stuff in 12 different keys. Lastly, all of the notes in the scale are called diatonic, and all of the notes outside the scale are called chromatic, from the Greek word for color, because notes outside the key make the music more interesting. And that's your Music Minute.